Now Shankwasi Adebia and Endomo Yamoso Moyeding. A Jimmy Fo we muna mojuniomo. NPP, this is the other side of the NPP. There, Yana say, some bebunuwe 80% of me is for Kwara. And I almost lead this demonstration. I'm a Asante for party is for Kwasia for more NPP for tough for more Jimmy. Munimunyansa. Nama betraha. The Abani and Abani you. Nobody can distract this government. No. Nobody can distract this government. This government is focused. It's going to touch on all the problems. The government is slowly going to change the system. These are the people. But my guy say, in Korea, they are on hard drugs. They are drug addicts. And when did they start this? These drugs are Eba Ghana, Eura Ghana, Estatia and the Kufwado, Tramadol, codeine, cocaine. The influx of Begu Ghana mwa yentumian swano under NPP. Munima monko bisana na ba na moa. Ono so on teach bro fo nkwa note. Enso bibi kana osi agye. Monko bisana na ba na moa. Ono na mbre bi otwe mic say oko ghetto to ghetto. Mumusa yi ya na ono na mo ghetto to ghetto. The spike in drug abuse in Ghana happened under NPP. Ekufuado. One Bawumia. Mumusa na ba na moa de GH1 for pound sa akoko no. Mumusa no. On the one teachy, they took a canoe say, me dream to Monko Busano. Yati Kromoha, we don't want to deal with the real issues. Namoja is a concept to any sorry, near change topic at the end. No, the NDC government is focused. It is doing what it has to do to solve problems. The same importance are MDC are buying edema healthcare no, or the same importance Bema Galamsey. The same importance are NDC by edema unemployment, no, or tackling the drug abuse, no, or the same importance Mama Galam say. Bibi sunche bibia. So as we sit in Ghana, Memo Binya na ajene se obetima diverted that Mahama is stable and focused. This is the NPP demonstration. Chama Kwara. And they are proud. Metima guys, 90% of Nkura we amuda second. We esremu fo Nkura. And so Mahmoud Bawumia NPP ni Kwasiafo we be see. Kaya yo headquarters e won crying. Abra no Bawumia oye teniba. Abra ntafo dodo no omo Nkura afri srem ebedi pa won crying ni Kumasi. Bawumia Jimmy fo na NPP no omo see. Kaya yo for headquarters won crying. What does it mean? It means to say Bawumia esi a cage or time and tough one quarter free srebaba abe slaves e won crying. Now on the year full anino, now Kwasiafo I can tell almost so much Omako school. And there Omobe demonstration no Omako tough one quarter na and come to make create opportunity amomu sremun say Mombrani and Tori Mamo, near Mamo Tramo, near Mamo one city na Mesa. This is how the NPP, this is what they represent. Jack.
There have been a few. Also day.
I'm on the way. I do 12 city.
First, also day.
I'm on the way. I do 12 city.
This is Salam Mustafa Masaudu tough one kwasiafo. This is what they created. They are just misleading the young people. Yeah, can the timer yet hard drugs about Ghana. Intend no sa keep fit no no be another avenue amaya me yehu say na mo betuma ye adwuma me yehu problems e koso Ghana. The focus is on the use or the abuse of harmful substance. And no message I found no NPP for keep fit no and I make sure no. This is serious and the kosrem ko he. And the NPP you change your buying NDC change your buying you the seriousness of a drug abuse ekoso Ghana. Sibia your body snabe porous. Sibia nipebi omudi sirem abaya drug then under NPP. Nansenya aban society you started say yeah chi omo edide import tramo red code den nansen and aban we buy ya through NACOC and Ghana police General Mante almost stopping the inflow of hard drugs. And today the NPP almost say be the other side of demonstration. This is baby ana message wo ya Kenya na ebola. This is the message that this is what we left behind. This is the unemployment we created. This is the distraction the NPP created. When you get to NDC for so, they need to solve it. Somehow, no my idea to show us the mess they left behind. And these young men, they are all unemployed. And these young men and women, about 99% of them, they started abusing drugs under Bawumia. And these are some of the things the NDC government are inheriting. Intimikacha say, what they did today, this is the only educative thing. You also see it to say, we know I will see a stop it drug abuse. Maybe I can't maintain any BBI concept. I don't know what was in there. Because when you see a group of people like this, what is the sense? So today's walk, it was basically to tell Ghanaians that NPP, this problem. On Saboy Sneakers, I'm say, been taught, ding. It is becoming scarce. And the tramo why ding. And the air din so benya tramo ato. And the air din so benya codeine ato. Air din se ubenya cocaine. Because abina ba, the government is blocking the holes. Na NPP kriti Into tinkrani kasa no. Say enda de yenye binto. Enda yenye binto ni boy ding because right now no omo kofa ba no NPP for na de aye market na ye mo chance biem aban e chi omo into on say emkra no omo bre. We were in this country And this is drug abuse. Year being 2022. Mamen can show. Cocaine media, fake news, joy news, reported story way. Ghana identified as transit country for drug trafficking. British High Commission. 2012. British High Commission for release statement. Na yo mahumte. Say, who say, oba ebi bremu ha. Ghana and the Kufwa no Bawumia. Ehona edu bone paano. Ehona yesuye no. Transit. Yesuye. Ni aside yesi etusune da kwechma. Your friend a transit point. So bia di edubone ko Europe. Pese odeba Africa ko Europe. Ghana and the Kufwa no Bawumia. Joy news, fake news. No this story we bre. The British High Commission in Ghana has revealed that the country has been noted on the global radar as a transit country for drug trafficking, especially cocaine and other psychotropic substances. And we lived with this. They watched it. They did not do anything. They sat there. That time, no, not Asen South MP. Your friend saying, your friend saying, Acheampong also a softener. No, take Ghana. So I see to the magic. Asen South for MP. Your friend saying, boy, Acheampong also a reverend. He also a MP. Asen South. No, ni Ghana. No MP. Did he make a comment about it? No, because his own party people were the ones transiting the hard drugs. And on send the one can say expose your Kwadwo. And yes, I'm your friend. So I Jimmy na phone say todo. They also oye Asen South MP no. Jantre ni na ofari yire chaka Bawku na also oye MP Asen South no Kwadwo. Na oni Ghana. Did he comment on this? No. I didn't akoto de ne bodwe kwasia. Today we are seeing and Kurananga say kan bonu masem omu nya tramon bi ntu ento. Ka criminal system no boss why a ding. It shows how the government is fighting it. Anytime can just say keep fitina NPP for year and then that is the message we got out of it. And we as Ghanaians, we need to sit up and start looking at this menace. Wait, are you serious? Problem here that table should be here. Problem no day we no go call Jesus. Anytime you go call Jesus, they means problem day. Your problem with health, your problem with education, your problem with BBM. We cannot treat some problem bigger than some problem. And it's not unlike the NDC government. It is treating every problem with the seriousness it can attach. Into every problem, they are attaching the seriousness. Into over health, they are attaching every seriousness. Over water, they are attaching every seriousness. Over unemployment, they are over galamsey. The government is attaching seriousness to everything. Into Eden and Kwasiafo, because say, I by force, or some Kumowi, they want to. No, nobody can change the conversation. Besides, which one is this? Into Yatina Kromham and Kofowe. Thank you very much, team. Yatina Kroman and Kwasiafo NPP. They don't have any message again for the people. This is what happened in Ghana. And then on demonstration, they exhibited the high level of drug abuse on the streets of Ghana, Accra, the capital of Ghana. In fact, cocaine media, fake news media, Joy, they actually went on to report on it.
Now, the British High Commission in Ghana has revealed that the global availability of illicit drugs is shooting up, with Ghana being on the global radar as a transit country for drug trafficking, especially cocaine and other psychotropic substances. The British High Commission's Deputy Head of Missions, Keith Mahon, says that some fishing communities have been identified as conduit for such activities in the drug supply chain. Hence, urgent measures need to be taken to disrupt every notable supply and destination point of drug trafficking. He made these comments at the commemoration of the International Day Against Drugs and Illicit Trafficking.
Thankfully, Ghana does not suffer as many of the debilitating issues stemming from Class A drug addiction. We hope this continues, though there are signs across West Africa that domestic markets may start to expand. So far, though, it is around the supply of drugs where the UK and Ghana have worked together so closely over the last few years. The global availability of drugs is higher than ever before, and it is not enough to work only at the source and destination points. We need to continue to disrupt every point of the supply chain, and that's where we need your help and support. Ghana is noted as a transit country for drug trafficking, particularly cocaine, with South America directly across the ocean, but also heroin and some psychotropic substances, as well as precursor chemicals. The UK has invested over $3 million in Narcotics Control Commission over the last 10 years. And our teams from Border Force, Immigration Enforcement and the National Crime Agency have developed strong partnerships not only with the NCC, but
so
also...
you see, NPP for party, they are frustrated. Make sure say, the party be so corrupt, not so lose power. It takes them like about a year and a half to understand and admit some of the power. These people are still in that situation. The NPP are still stuck in that realm of we still have power. They still don't believe that they've lost power. When they talk, when you listen to them, when you see their body language, the exuberance, the arrogance, you can see still that they still forget themselves, so they don't have power again. And that is what is destroying the party. The party sitting there, we for party, a NPP party, they don't have a chairman. How can a party that does not have a chairman be taken serious as a nation? Why should we take such psychopaths serious? Then sorry, not a party any direction, any leader or driver party, no, any chairman. Okay say, yantina say, yambopo, madwini we de yenyi penyini di party nenim. Na ya sorry say, whatever they throw there, no, no, we are not going to do that. They can make noise. It's their right to make noise. They can go on TV. They can go on radio. They can scream. But the fact of the case is, they say, we are not ready to listen to NPP on building this nation. When it comes to building Ghana, the NPP is the last group of people that we will listen to, because we don't consider them as intelligent enough, rational. We don't even see them as humans to even take any advice from the NPP, especially when they are the ones who caused that problem. No. Intimino, I don't want the NPP to be a conversation. NPP cannot start a conversation in Ghana. No. We are not supposed to pay attention to the NPP. Say, NPP, what at the end, hey, my mentor, which are, hey, Obaso was NPP for Jimmy Pa, hey, Tiadewi. Aquawe, Tiu.
The intimidation, not the arrest. You can testify. What Abronye said wasn't bad.
What did he say?
Me, I don't know. I've forgotten. Abronye said wasn't bad.
What did he say?
Me, I don't know. I've forgotten. What Abronye said wasn't bad.
What did he say?
Me, I don't know. I've forgotten.
We kwasia for we near sorry. Oh yeah, also a demonstration. I said the Abronye can enya bone. And I said no kan me nim refi. We Jimmy. Near sorry abetra say every was on my demonstration. About demonstration. No. These are foolish people. We want Jimmy. You don't what Abronye said is not bad. And it's no kai also on kai. They no kai. We Jimmy. Now sorry. Near be wasted time say NPP. No, let's focus. The government is focused. This government is focused. Now, when you even take problems FSC Ghana CCA, Senka Ghana, ye 10 regions anka problems ye kom CCA anka yenkum. I'm telling you, anka problem ye kom no, anka ebia anka be 50% and ye faces our problem no. But you see, NPP for Jimmy. Now they come into office, they feel that they are entitled. Hereditary. Yaba eyebusia yena part no Ghana ye dia into yemfa 6 regions make 10 regions on. Now all these 6 regions make 10 regions on. Their motive into all these 6 regions make 10 regions on. Right now when we do a survey, the 6 regions make 10 regions on, the poorest in Ghana. about 90% of the 6 regions, meaning about 5 out of the 6, they are the poorest regions in Ghana. So what did those regions or the Beka, what did it do to us? And I'll not be surprised to say those regions or the Beka, Galam say, and I say, Insua Aseno, because now the government is looking at the problem with so many branches. Sanka branches near 10, rather than the branches are 16. And it's 2 million now you need how much? Here are the 3 times of that money to fight. When it comes to unemployment, when it comes to infrastructure. Because when we Jimmy, they don't plan. And they came into office with ideas say, and that is what they have been doing from day one. And Amutata Kwame Nkrumah so Kwame Nkrumah, because Nkrumah said, say, Ghana ebin chambi. Obi ntumi ntene ho ye nyina na ye be kekere man no onti ase afa kwase atu ena mo so mo ntumi fo mo kwase antu ndo metenemu mo betenemu so na mo nimra so mo so madane moa mo bese mo betenemu no ena jeje on the sky no they said things against him for him to turn against his own people. Even omo ka say ono oya ahunani ne nkroma ahunanfo kwa na mpose jeje on stand against you omo o say enye nsema asankofo we ka no enti na beba me madane me chiama Ghana fo ana in conform say me kromfo aya hunafo e Ghana ntina me baye. This is how they are. These people they are not ready to help this nation. From day one, that is what they have done. How many times did they try killing Kwame Nkrumah? How many times did they try to make sure say Rawlings moving us from a military regime into a democratic regime? What didn't they write? What didn't they say? They don't like anything good. We toilet Jimmy. They are not in to help anybody. So study Sankeda went to 10 regions unim the kind of development and Kabagana. We want to open the country up. Ghana be a journey because they had that idea say some part of Ghana no baby or settlers to war baby or they feel say omukroma California Santefo to war until let's carve it out, let's make it a region on its own, send your be kotwaba ye benya your group. So these people are they isolate everything until let's create this idea of making sure ye call for a creative region amomo near baby creative region or Ghana as a social anti assassin. Mesan can be the president in there. Kasante mechemu 30. Na Ghana asase be na so chai asante na Islam asase nkwana bia eso chai ene bonofo. Meche kasante ka mechemu 30. Na ma hwe koku obeka say adentina wo chichemu sa region. Na ya kakra kasa do betuma hwe so. But you see, that is not how we have to have the conversation. It is because of the amoye. It is because of the NPP, the motive, the mentality, the ideology of the party. Jimina ewo party no, and then a lot of people despise the party now. Ayani part-time. The way amokasa, the way amuyenyi yimu, the way amadwini amu say, mubetuma tete Ghana for ntemu no, and then muye ni part-time. And then Emma Mumano Sam Ayani part-time, and then Emma Ghana Enya Kono. And then today, Mr. S, get me the map of Ghana. So I'll pick the map of Ghana. 16 regions, and yet 13 of those 16 regions green. You know why? Because the people have come to understand, say, the NPP, anyone massive for no, they are divisive. Omuye nipa, omuchiche nipemu. Usha horror movie. Horror movie. Omo mutimu odin pa na omo gya hoho. Horror movie. Omo mutimu odin e na omo gya hoho because opa hoho ku omo enti na ogya hoho. Into horror movie a ehu a hotel na se bi edi ewo wo mu no ene na efe. It's nobody can hide behind media me hospitable media me gye obia. Omo mutimu odin na gya hoho kese. Every say omo nimdi omo dia hoho ne beye. We cannot sit in this country for people to form a political party and destroy the core principle of this nation. This is not supposed to happen. Into the divisiveness. Send your NPP for to say mine no madani omo say or minor say today you see these fools working in Ghana freely under any serious any president who is crazy. My lucky said John Mahama president. And anybody else apart from John Mahama, and 90% of Muamudi NPP and Kamudemu. Me say, my lucky that it is John Mahama who is president, And John Mahama will show you the other side of him. Because Mamusa Mwejimi. Now, when you're ready, some of me at Chiremaino. Me say, Nanka, my lucky say, at this juncture, it is John Mahama who is president. Nanka Mene Konamia president. And about 90% of Momute Sapatu Kamudem. Yeah. Kebe some line. Yadi Ahumaba Gumu 9. Na yadi Mojina second ya Bobu Timutu. Yeah. Anka sa garam se na mo yehu dede nke so atwa. Me na me president a. Anka sa mo NPP fo na chairman Wontumi ene omo ana omo ye galam say afrim pop what in this report in by no. Anka me president a ka make list no na ma be some lie o kejetia na ma bom nyina timutuo pay. Me wi am so obi anhwe bi. Memo obi anya galam say o Ghana biem na ma hwe aboa o be galam say o Ghana. Because e mu afo Mudi nkwasi asem na wiasa abegina se adentina nsuo nani ahono emmoa democracy nyama bibini democracy ntina mo NPP for mudo do tiase yeah hwabone amudi ye mo hwe nkwasi ade amaya bedu this time and some people have a problem with JJ Rawlings for allowing some people to still exist in Ghana. Mo hwe nkwasi ade mabaye for 8 years. Whatever you people came to do, the implications are you come as a nation. Excavators 2,500, Yehuba Akumpo, and a Tukrumha, Obianya, Charles Bisu in Ghana, Ekwa Wisin in Ghana, Chairman Wontumi in Ghana, Keti Jemfon in Ghana. These people are all working in Ghana in the name of democracy. Watching in that, also the Kojina court, now some man a lawyer. Ochino, now detaining now Obi say on TSC human rights into also Jana man Sakofi. Why lucky? Me say, mo my lucky. Nanka mujira ye ntiase gram say no me. Nyanko poni na me ntumi nya politics. Me I can't do politics. Active politics. Me no me ntumi nya. Ananka masanipa line da. Anopotututu ya line nkwara nyina national television so 10 3. You the chrome no also a president. Remember me chrome can kwasa ncheme. Na maka just I'm protecting my water bodies. I don't want to see anybody do illegal mining. Se be kusa kusi be illegal mining in Ghana. Ayed den kwasi aforo mo say nsu na sa be demonstration. Ye ntiase John Mahama has to solve it. John Mahama is the enabler. He book home kra ka da kwan honda dada. Na democracy nti na ma sankwasiafo we they are back again making noise. They are making noise because we all respect democracy. We all believe say we have allowed some fools, giving them too much room. Maybe I was here. 8 years in Kofo Jina Ghana assassin de can be bianco for yante. Kwasia for 10 yaba into Machumano say a pranking smart. This is Ghana. This is Ghana for you. How can any country still have NPP? Say a party was in Ghana in Itieno, blue in a NPP, 3 regions. How can anybody, dear Nama a Krona say, dear Nama a whole nation, Adani Green, Ama Akatrepe, Busaho, what has happened? Dear see Obibo Bronibi, and now Obi baby because okay, is this your nation or is this my country? Why do you have only 3 blue regions and the rest all green? Something should have happened. BBSC. The thing you see there like that, no? Who is simple, sano? 1992, 1996, 1990, 2000. Sa Ghana map na kala na enti say na ye mixed blue waha yellow a blue waha green waha blue waha green waha. As time went on, there na ma we see a bibintra. Some group of people, the way they act, the way they talk when they are giving power, how they treat people, how they disrespect people, how they feel they are better than some people. Slowly, the country started reasoning and beginning to see, say, no, this party, a friend NPP, a dangerous political party. That is why you are seeing this. And I swear to God, I will nullify this party and make sure we don't have any blue in our map. you have only one blue, and you know where that one will be. It will be left with only one blue. Now, because it is looking like, say, continuously, this is what you NPP, Mayama baby Ayabeduni, Moko 1992, Moko Ghana map no, Mumbra 2000, Moya map no, Yatuaba, Mumbra 2004, Mosha map no, Mumbra 2008, Shamapo no. It was mixed, a check. And this was NPP, and this was, and what really happened? Nobody wants to be associated with this kind of party, this NPP. At time, di boni, no madani omano, no mo pese, create impression. Be obine, your party. You cannot trust them. This should tell you something. Sama apna hunisano a history. It is telling you how the Ghanaian feels, how the Ghanaians see our politics, how the Ghanaian respect our political agents, how the Ghanaians see political parties and their people, the actors. This is the story of Ghana's politics. It's imagine if we didn't have 16 regions and NPP or one per Ghana. And this should tell you something. And remember, in Kwadwo Mobano, they are thinking, they are reasoning up. Anytime guys said this party in 2028 will be gone forever. It is all NPP near. Tenasnebu sound said, and you think it's going to be easy. We are not joking. We are going to put a pin in this. You do our best our discussion. No? And make nobody waste their time on say NPP for a year or more year. And I heard you see Nakok. Police Nakok seized 1,195 boxes of tramadol at Bintri. 6 arrested. And what would you see? They are working. The government is stopping drug abuse. Mr. Which one is that? 2016. Thank you very much. My team 75 they've been chamo. Mr. Get them for me. Make sure how Ghana has changed. Why are NPP attractive? Nobody wants to listen to. This is 2016. Look at it. 2016 in here. This was Ghana, the map, electoral map. This is 2016. You see, it was evenly divided. You were rational. 2016 yao, before Nana Akufo-Addo about power, near what 10 regions. This was the map. NPP, NDC. So what changed for Ghana map? No, move from here, from this to this level. But I want to say what really changed. Ayamano some a woody amudi a troning kwasiade mumbu Ghana for inyimu Jimmy Mojin say and no near the better chimano. Ghana for your party by 2028 will be gone. 2024 against 2016. Now, thank you very much, team. So you see, this is 2016. Oh, before Akufo-Addo Ghana ever president, you saw how it was divided evenly. Over regions now, near Tim, NDC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now NPP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how it was in 2016. That was how Ghanaians were reasoning. We were mixed. We were reasoning. We were voting like Ghanaians as people who love each other. We did not add anything to it. Not tribalism setting in. Not that kind of separatism. That kind of entitlement. Then setting in. People were rational. Now look at this. 2020. I'm sure idea. Thank you very much, Mr. S. I'm sure 2020. Thank you, team, for bringing this in. 2016 in Akufo-Addo president. Sorry. Akufo-Addo president. 2020. It started changing. You see, 2020 it started becoming green. Then Ghanaians started say no. The NPP is dangerous. 2020, afe na mapanesa. Afe unse blue nesote. Ghanaians started realizing said the NPP is a demonic, dangerous, mambo for. They want to destroy this nation. Thank you very much, team. Iti on se na afekala no esesa. Na kala no esesa. Macho 2016. On see 2020 afe na Ghana for astati reason up say no. Pathway omo nipa no omo nya nipa papa. Omo amote party na NPP omo nya nipa papa. Omo person cheche Ghana mu. Omo asa the regions abeka ho. Omo say mine no. So Ghanaians started reasoning up say no, we cannot live with a party like that. And 2020, they killed about 8 people to hold on to this. Botuo in 2020, that was when they shot people to keep this power. Because Omu would say, Ghana for anything, so they had to kill. So for them to even hold on to this blue, 2020, they had to kill. So Botuo. I swear to God. You see, I'm coming. This is 2024. In 2028, Ebeka 1 region. Blue pay, Ebeka 1. May say in 2028, it will be left with one region. And you people know which region it will be left with. Ebeka 1, then you see how Ghana will develop. And when you send your Ghana be developing, and when you input you, and when you togetherness, and when you the majority taking decisions, collective decisions, and be changing the destiny of this nation. And when you conform more pray for input you, and when you the majority voice asking for hospitals, asking for good roads, asking for development in their lives, the destruction will be cut down. And it has to be cut down because consistently, you would say the consistency in the deliberately derailing this country. A group of people, after they do that realization, say Ghana, Bryan, some group of people who are destroying this nation. And in 2028, Ghanaians will go to the ballot and change the destiny for good. It will be left with 1 region. You people don't want to change NPP 4. The Ghanaian is growing. The Ghanaian voter is maturing. The people want development. The people are becoming together. They are starting to understand we are not supposed to be tribalistic. We are not supposed to feel entitled. We are not supposed to be liars. Ghanaians want to see good things, but we are beginning to see where the problem is. And the problem is number 1. And I'm telling you, me see, by the time I enter about 2028, we are not NPP aka 1 blue. Say, Utiem friend Yankopon say me pewe, Onyankopon de bema wo. Mete me ho. God will give that to you. Mate me ho no. 2028 it will manifest. Say no na mope. Enu nti na de bia no Ghana yentumi enko yenim. You 2 nice step backward, now you're trying a sign. You 2 step backward, near the Ahinian name, you 2 step backward, near the tribe in name, you 2 step backward, near Dinko of Watam, you 2 step backward, near Bunny Penimtia, a bedroom baby, the old penny at the Bembaum. Now, when you are given what you want, you cannot ask for anything again.
Serving head of state. Look at how long my supposed people or in the Volta region have suffered. Is it not only recently? Work is even to start. So please, ladies and gentlemen, have no fears. We're not here doing ethnic politics or of rollings. We are prioritizing things. I mean, all the poison that's tried to spread amongst our Ashanti brothers and sisters against rollings, that's not going to turn me against them. They've been doing this a long time ago. But we went ahead and did what we had to do. I'm not going to listen to the utterances or the insults or poisonous elements and to turn me against or turn my back against my own people. It's not the majority of the people who share this view. Head of state. Look at how long my supposed people or in the voter region have suffered. Is it not only recently? Work is even to start. So please, ladies and gentlemen, have no fears. We're not here doing ethnic politics or of Rawlings. We are prioritizing things. I mean, all the poison that's tried to spread amongst our Ashanti brothers and sisters against Rawlings, that's not going to turn me against them. They've been doing this a long time ago. But we went ahead and did what we had to do. I'm not going to listen to the utterances or the insults or poisonous elements and to turn me against or turn my back against my own people. It's not the majority of the people who share this view.
So, Ubusame, the motivation, this is my motivation. Every day, before I start the show, me bow answer my show. No, it's me, when I sit here, I don't care where you are coming from. I don't care about your tribe. When I meet people, I don't even ask you, who your DNA. I do my job. I do my job. This is my motivation. Because it looks like that is what happens in Ghana all the time. When you want to do something right, some people want to pitch you against some people. And the moment you fall or you break, you are done. And because I never got to that level, I never allowed that. I never allowed people to pitch me against some people, to break me. That is why I'm still strong. This is my motivation. If you can say whatever you want to say against me, you can pitch me against whoever, or Hinyo, or Sarfo, Penyinio. My job is for the people, not for individuals. So I am not selective about where my message goes. I hit where it has to hit. That is what I do. That is the principle. I need to hit. I don't jab. I hit, and I make sure it hits. Because until you feel the pain, you wouldn't know that that position is a position you need to be very secure about. You need to protect. So, if you ask me, this is my motivation. I am mixed tribe. I am mixed race. Me ya wo me Ghana boase. Me no boase. Become school on crying. Me ma me awunani. Me ma me onyini wo kumase asafo. Me papa yam fantini. Me wo America. Me yiri ye Jew ni. I am mixed race, mixed tribe. I don't have time to ask about your background, to ask about where Dagatini, where Hauseni, where Teni, where Fantini. I don't care. Deliver and let me see it. It doesn't matter how you feel about me. My job here is to get the right things to let you know the facts. It does not matter who you are. It does not matter which group you come from, what you represent. It does not matter. What matters is assembling a medemao. I am the messenger. I'm giving it to you. And I've been doing this for years. At least we were a little experience in politics. A little. I will give you what Bawumia will get. This is the first time Musa Dankwa will have a competitor when it comes to giving out exact number. Election, exact number. Make sure the Bawumia Benjano primary swim. So far, we have employed 500 people. We are doing our research in Ghana. I'll give you the exact number Bawumia will get. 24 hours to our elections now. We are not joking here, my friend. When we told you, say, the elections will be won in the Ashanti region, we had the reason. It wasn't just mere talk. It was work on the ground. It was hard work. It was backed with data and science. We reached out to the people in an invisible form. We made them understand. They told us what they wanted. We were telling you the power will be taken away, and it will be taken away big time. But this time, something bigger will happen than 2024. Now, about 610, Ghana 1010. When you kuma,
so when you kuma, kokoda. Se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho baye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a coalition center na kobo electoral commission for ho